Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about electron beam machining. Electron beam machining is a thermal energy based non-traditional machining process. In electron beam machining process, high velocity focused beam of electrons are used to remove metal from the workpiece. When the high velocity beam of electrons strike the workpiece, its kinetic energy is converted into a heat. The concentrated heat raises the temperature of workpiece material and vaporizes a small amount of it, resulting in removal of material from the workpiece. This is the basic principle of electron beam machining. It is the construction and working of electron beam machining process. It consists of electron gun, focusing lens, deflector, coil, work table, etc. In order to avoid collision of accelerated electrons with air molecules, vacuum is required. So, the entire electron beam machining setup is enclosed in a vacuum chamber. This chamber carries a door through which the workpiece is placed over the table. The door is then closed and sealed. The electron gun is responsible for emission of electrons, which has the following three main parts. First one is tungsten filament, which is connected to the negative terminal of DC power supply and act as cathode. Grid cup, which is negatively based with respect to the filament. Anode, which is connected to positive terminal of DC power supply. The focusing lens is used to focus the electrons at a point and reduces the electron beam up to the cross-sectional area of 0.01 to 0.02 mm diameter. The electromagnetic deflector coil is used to deflect the electron beam to different spot on the workpiece. It can be also used to control the path of the cut. During working, high voltage DC source is given to the electron gun. Tungsten filament wire gets heated and the temperature rises up to 2500 degrees Celsius. Due to this temperature, the electrons are emitted from the tungsten filament. These electrons are directed by grid cup to travel downwards and they are attracted by anode. The electrons passing through the anode are accelerated to achieve high velocity. The high velocity of these electrons are maintained till they strike the workpiece. It becomes possible because the electrons travel through the vacuum. This high velocity electron beam, after leaving the anode, passes through the tungsten diaphragm and then through the electromagnetic lens. Focusing lens are used to focus the electron beam on the desired spot of the workpiece. When the electron beam impacts the workpiece, the kinetic energy of high velocity electrons immediately converted into the heat energy. The high intensity of heat melts and vaporizes the work material at the spot of the beam impact. The process is carried out in repeated pulses of short duration. The pulse frequency may range from 1 to 1600 Hz and the duration may vary from 4 to 65,000 microseconds. This is the working of electron beam machining process. Advantages. It is an excellent process of microfinishing. Very small holes can be machined. Holes of different sizes and shapes can be machined. There is no mechanical contact between tool and workpiece. It is a quicker process. Hard materials can be machined at a faster rate than conventional machining. Electrical conductor materials can be machined. The process can be easily automated. Extremely close tolerances are obtained. Next, limitations. The material removal rate is slow, cost is high, suitable for large workpieces, highly skilled operators are required. A little taper produced on the holes, vacuum requirements limits the size of the workpiece. It is applicable only for thin materials. It is suitable for producing perfectly cylindrical deep holes alone. Next, advantages. It is mainly used for micro machining operations on thin materials. These operations include drilling, slotting, scribing, etc. Drilling of holes in pressure, differential devices used in nuclear reactors, aircraft engines, etc. It is used for removing small broken taps from holes. Micro drilling operations for thin orifices, dies for wire drawing, parts of electron microscopes, etc. A micro machining technique known as electron beam lithography is being used in the manufacture of field emission cathodes, integrated circuits, and computer memories. It is particularly useful for machining of materials of low thermal conductivity and high melting point. Thank you.